I'm searing 4 beef shanks just because I want my broth to have more flavor, okay? I just put a little salt and pepper on them, and they're nice and meaty, and we want that bone. Add a little water here. And I'm going to scrape that bottom. I'm gonna add half an onion. Some celery with the leaves. That's like 2 stalks. Those leaves have so much flavor, guys. It's too bad not to use them. This is a small sweet pepper. Use a piece of bell pepper. A carrot. 4 garlic cloves. 2 bay leaves. I'm going to return the meat. I'm going to add 8 cups of water. You know what, guys? I'm going to add another 2 cups of water, I think. I'm going to add some salt and pepper. We'll adjust the salt later, so don't worry about it. You can see that this already has color because we seared that beef. I'm gonna add some oregano to this, guys. Okay. We are going to let this come to a boil, and then we're gonna let it simmer for a good hour. I want a nice broth, okay? So go ahead and skim any of that foam that starts forming on top of your broth. So we are gonna use raw blanched peanuts for this recipe. I got these on Amazon, but if you can't find raw blanched peanuts, you probably can find raw peanuts that have the skins on. All you have to do, guys, is dip it in boiling water and those skins will come out, they'll just slip off. That's all you need to do. The more peanuts you use, the thicker your soup is gonna be. So, you decide how thick you want it. I'm gonna blend 1 cup of peanuts. I'm gonna add a little water to this and blend it. We're gonna blend this until it's nice and creamy. I'm gonna make it easier for us to see this. So I'm gonna finish this on the counter here. I'm gonna remove the meat out of the broth that we made. Now I'm gonna discard all the large things that are inside the pot, okay? This is nicely concentrated, guys, but I lost a lot of the liquid, so I'm gonna have to add some water to it, and we'll add some bouillon. I just cooked it too long. I'm gonna add the peanuts. And I'm going to fill all of this with water and put it in. I'm going to return the beef. I am going to add some beef bouillon to this just because I added so much water, and plus it needed salt, so about a tablespoon. Normally don't cook with this, but once in a while it's fine. I'm going to start boiling this, guys. In about 10 minutes, we're going to add some potato and some, I'll show you. But I'm gonna bring it to a boil again. I'm taking it to the stove over there. All right, while that's cooking, we're going to fry some pasta. I'm using rigatoni. I probably have about a cup in here. I don't want to overdo it, guys. I don't want the pasta to absorb all the soup and, we have a big mushy mess, okay? You can also make this with rice if you prefer. Maybe a 1/4 cup of rice. So we're just gonna brown this pasta. This is gonna keep it from getting flat and mushy and, just messy like pastas do in soups. Okay, that's it, guys. You want it brown, that's it. I'm gonna add a large potato, which I peeled and cubed, and 2 skinny carrots, which I peeled and just sliced. The pasta. I was gonna add about a half a cup of frozen peas. Okay. I'm gonna taste this for salt. All right, guys, this needs to cook completely. You can't eat those raw peanuts, it'll make your stomach hurt. So now we're gonna just let this simmer for a good 20 more minutes. Also, the potato and the carrot need to cook, okay? And the pasta. Oh, this is beautiful. As I told you earlier, I don't want you to cover your pot. Just let it simmer without a cover, okay? I have a golden Yukon potato here, which I scrubbed really well. I took out a little piece of yucky there. I'm going to grate it so that we can make some shoestring potatoes for our soup. If you prefer, you can garnish this with regular French fries. I like making these little thin potatoes, gives it a crunch. Obviously, if you want to skip this step and buy shoestring potatoes at the store, excellent. Now, this isn't a must, guys, but it is a desirable plus, okay? Okay, I'm heating some oil in this pan, as you can see. I want it to get really hot. This is avocado oil that has a high smoke point. Don't use olive oil for this, okay? Because that's no good. Vegetable oil is fine too. So let's check our oil. It's ready. So I'm gonna start frying this in batches. All right, once they're browned, take them out into a paper towel lined bowl, okay? I'm gonna finish cooking these. Our soup is ready, guys. I'm gonna serve it now. The potato and the carrot are soft. The peanut is completely cooked. You can tell it's nice and creamy, so it's ready. I like to grab a piece of meat and put it in the middle of the plate. And then we'll add soup. So I'm going to garnish this with some freshly chopped parsley. And those potatoes that we fried. And here you have a fantastically delicious peanut soup. Let's taste our soup. Oh man, takes me home. It's a nice creamy soup. So tasty. Really worth the work, guys. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you soon.